Yeah, we back, y'all. We back with another one. Yes, sir. Something good, too, man. We got something nice for y'all today, man. You see it? Let's get right to it, man. Unboxing in the Bando one-stop drip shop. You heard? We about to get right for y'all right now, man. Hold on, let's see what we got, y'all. It's gotta be good. Gotta be good. Let's see what we got, man. How y'all? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what city you in. Let me know you tapping in with me and shit. You enjoying the content. You know? Real nigga giving it to you. Real. I'm holding back with y'all, man. We giving y'all this drip for real. Let's see what we got, man. Ooh. Okay, these the pants right here. These the pants. You know? Yeah, you see it. These joints is calm, man. Tracksuit pants, you dig? Something light. Calm material. You know? Show y'all some tags. Let y'all know when y'all shit authentic. You feel me? Can't do no fugazis. Got lint on my shit already. Damn. I don't like that. When you see your zip is hitting, blinging off all crazy. You know. Alright, that's what the pants looking like. Let's see what's up. Let's see what else we got, man. You ain't think I stopped there, right? I know you ain't think a nigga stopped right there. Had to go all the way, my boy. You know how we coming. Had to go all the way, man. Goddamn. Oh, man. Yeah, this crazy. You see how I'm coming, bro. You see how I'm coming. You know? Let's open this up, though, man. Let's open this up. See what we got going on. Yeah. Celine down. You dig? Celine down. You feel me? Heavy on the rich garments, rich fabrics. You dig? Very particular type of nigga, you know? I just can't be doing any and everything. You feel me? You probably like, Hefe, what you gonna do this with, man? How you gonna put this shit together, man? It's a calm top, you feel me? Yeah, I guess y'all wondering why I ain't got no music, man. We trying to get this shit monetized. They been hating on my videos. Copyright, your favorite artist got this copyright shit going on. But back to the drip, though. You're probably wondering, Hefe, how you gonna put this shit down, man? What you giving us with this shit? Huh? You know. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all these shits with it, you know? I ain't trying to do too much. I had another option. I was gonna go, I got several options for this, you know? But I think I'm gonna hit y'all with this shit. I'm gonna hit y'all with this, you feel me? We gonna do it like that. You know? The pants, the top. And we just going through a car and get up out of there. Ain't trying to do too much. You know? Let y'all niggas live, man. Y'all live to fight another day. Y'all live to drip another day, man. Sorry, man, but I got it for today, though. You dig? I got it for today. Y'all gonna live to drip another day, man. But Hefe got this one, you feel me? Hefe got this one in the bag. Stay up, though. We up out of here. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this situation, you know? One-stop drip shop, unboxing in the Bando. Gave y'all a little, you know what I mean? A little extra. Gotta give y'all extra. Ain't trying to get y'all less, I'm trying to get y'all the best, you feel me? So, tap them out. What they say, like, comment, share, subscribe. Fuck with your boy. We out.